hear it if you don't hear the whole babe. Can you see? She said, I don't wanna hear it. Don't you put me near the whole your bad fantasy. But now my fucking business like the first time we were kissing is destiny. Ocean sometimes a different notion comes over me. But when my thoughts are clear, what once was fear is now pure poetry. Thought it was romantic, I crossed the Atlantic, that didn't change the tide. Oh, a different story, love and glory, no place left to hide. Come here, cowboy, take off your cowboy hat. I'm gonna be your dog. Woof, woof. You can caress my cat, and I'm singing now. Ba, 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 ba. I like it like that. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Olivier Durand can play the guitar, but can he sing in French? Here we go.
Et sans raison, tous ces changements de saison, pas toutes les cartes en main, se envie de l'infini, même les paris se lient notre logique.